Hello, my people. How you doing? If you're telling on, I could buy something, you know, because as a president, we not. Iran, the social media elects the social media king, the great social media. The Murphy does a talk in Agbama. Let me share this video because I can see some of my people where normal game on who or dating ya undo lilian saga we saga then in there where near social media na igbina or you boni ya many other time. Anyway, I go worry you to run and you know how I go be anybody follow me do saga and go to seek you. Yeah, seek a boat you believe me. Because why? Nobody why woman you woman as this president come and tell me. But no time more you woman keep your mouth shut. Understand? You am when you am president so that no me ya Nike we si rawa bi okan nekere ya ati ebo mema re don prince. Si rawa Richard no bi okan kere ya ati ebo mema. What am I na wa buwa. Umwa mana titan ga gbelu wa saga. Emu weta ugo when so na don prince ro bi o kere ro ade wa gun ayo. They no tayo ugo egun everybody mind their business. I will voting. We have a voting. I have right to denounce. Okay? Eddie Murphy is the social media president that we know. Iga Wogome as election and Ezobia no si Ezoni Yakban and backed. Wabu serve as your own president or when I don't care to listen to anybody because why not do a social media no. No gyok be Vienna wagwan yo. Boy Nairobi Nairobi yekero adege ovi gbogbo no that social media kero adu wagwan yo. All of now, both the account the way when I will deal with all of now. So what I call was I'm a family man. I don't mean nothing. What going more than when I'm what social media. Whoever our election, Yamu, but at the Murphy back to him. With that where I have a tag. If you want to saga, come out for inside. Let's do saga. Now I got to bury yawa. I don't pala the way 50 euro he na ye gun we Ibizugbe me e one multi nu be ya danyo oh no na wo to ya fefe nu wakare come and say it agwabuwa imi go wa digo pa ni me wo buwa ma wa bi ewigi every day by then wa like we gain wa la pon ge la mi yage de mi no unu wa se ni me wa na me we ori me uwa gbe me yo ayi wa I don't send you now. Make you na carry on across. On a carry on a bad man go that side. I don't do it in I want to do. No one will appreciate it. We don't appreciate it. No one will appreciate it. Fuck you, motherfuckers. Okay? I'm back to my politics. I'm back to my politics. If I not I why. If you can't get out of your man, man, no get am Okona for that Monica. The Monica me tayo. What of your mouth you bob your canekere? Ereba, Wama Begaya. Why are you boy? You can't finish this at the Yareba. Wama Begaya, what are you? And no get over me, and I don't take Fulani, Ibizugbe Fulani. What are you? What are you? Come. Who won't let me saga and make it focus on me? Who don't want to let me saga and why I could be or appreciate me? They can win as a president. Now, who I come more than making a man be. I can not be. You go me a sponsor. I don't parole. I will happy Ibizugbe. Come out and say it. Come out and say it. Are you why? Eddie Murphy is the social media president we know. If you say you want to do saga, yes, come up. Every day by day, no get no man waving up. Every day by day, why I like we gear, why I like o gear, why I like me ya gear, why I But we can be every I'm your boy. The president be one your boy. When I take time, Ibuwaya day. Can you say that you do get wire now? Why I call be a I mind my business. Why am I? But if I know pressure day anywhere, I will do my job as a voice of justice. If anybody oppress each other, I will come out and I'll lynch on you. Without I will waste time. But for the presidentship, back to the owner at the Mofi Dausa. Where who was me when you vote in any of your panuri mevo or you pani muwa or sak pani evo eva pani evo na corner for me now udo tamame or when a guioni eva no ye gume you go no ye gume udo tamame I will do video yeah share and why I sure have no give sure ya fefe ya fefe no we be say me I dey fight for I been no one why I say you why my that why those one pento wa we dey inside we will fight we dey inside we dey suffer inside need leluwa continue on e ro mene e no one for that matter I wa emi ogbeluwa wa gume wa la den ido disgwagwa wa iwa dismato wa okay. Anybody I see ugoni obi yeme ya Ibizugbe woni this one will be the first and last bros me I know when we are social media na make winama what have you done for me where the credit over 50 cents more na our Ibizugbe my social media president but we beg even ya make PC lele ya what have you done for me they know me who well you kakere na yedu ati but mo yedu ati wa wabuwa well when anybody not fuck with me I go to fuck all of now for this year and I don't know where who are create saga who Ibizugbe and there why I can go oh God me ya igbeluwa why I call wa be me ready why I call more that family many ready why more that family many let me your focus on my things. Because we have your bokpan warrior, me. The bokpan wa woman, wa mamma wa vie wiggy, wa mamma wa vie tangi, wa mamma wa vukongi. Our can be a dear bokpan wa woman. But you imweya. Yage come o ike can win a mugumena. But a retag bell, we bear a retag banner, Ibizugbe, come on, ike can mammy a chakwa yahweh. Come on, ike can. I'm a teaching people, teaching human being. Why? I will done you. Why will you done I'm with president? Why I call you auto? Let me get my rest. You go away, idiot way. Understand? A key I didn't win again. I win a president. Guayo, even Guayo. Emi no maga iladiane woni. Why dollar? Why dollar? Don't know why here. No gba monu why. Okay, I don't want to love why. Don't know why here more here no wa. I why. I don't get no time. I don't do my things. If you don't want to let me rest, wait for me. I'm going to kick you up. And I will kick you up. According to waiting, I will bow whatever. But why I go work past why I go work say yeah. I did my own. Right from the day one for this social media, they talk and say me, I don't get any side when I did. If you do something bad, I will come. It will this go away. If you do something good, it will be added to tear as a brother or as a sister. You understand? If we want to be president in the Demofia as a president or what we went here, it will be like the dismapto, it will be disguagua, Mo Ibizugbe. Obama, away mo ime, Obaya, and we no oh God. I will come, it will be a career. You have a two but my people, I've done. We are waiting me man here. We are more. We are waiting me man here. We are or ni meke aro. Digon where me we Ibizugbe you not there. Ibizugbe. Ide cardinal go. But I'm on a review. We work via every day. We you cause make I can't continue all those now they follow now. Emana we say na ya akpon mama. Ah ya akpon mama. Last February now. January, February, gbina na. Iyema I will say ina ko wa duore. But no pele mommy. No pele mommy. No pele mommy even get me gbina na be Germany si o na ya wa to bo me ve me o. Ya wa ri gogu unwina no nwina me na. Osalo baby mama mete do mu yo ma hu opologbe osani pologbe iya wa zo egwe ohe aje na. But that it taxi where it can win. I believe you go pay because when we yes, if you pay, I have to do my job. But it matters where my go but what to but promise. Okay, here. Hey, you my pay, man. Hey, you cream my pay, man. Hey, when I got you cream, hey, you cream copying when I lay. You know what I don't you cream copying when I lay with Jemmy Marigonua. I not send you now. But I just leave me and my family alone. Where there is time for everything. Time to die, time to eat, time to burn, and time to focus for other things in life that will give you joy. Not when maybe a social media rate joy me or what is joy make a cabo. Because ina we in you. Ina we in you. Ina ge okekeni esim ye gbibiedo. When I ye guanania, I believe where I've done a good job. So appreciate yourself without where a makame can wear. When I women and I hold level bona wagwala die. Please, I've done my job and I treat the presidentship when I treat in our we no now bo. We're giving a run a president here. He's going to continue. Those your coming out, your commenters, if you have followed me because of say they fight for Olona, leave my page. Leave my page. Come. Okay? I'm not fighting for anybody. I'm a freedom fighter. Who are going to love social media? Who believe why till we may again. Mind your business. Mind your business. Why have I found na de mi opa no wari me de mi opa ni mi wo buwai. De pele mo mi ni mi wo buwai. De se ni mi wo buwai. If you are not be careful, social media saga will be hot. Okay? I've been one man squad. So nobody should count me or granted where maybe where if you're president or immune no nyang would be. They will no vote. After they form a vote, why mean I have form a vote here? Are you there? I see what the charge in tears. No, not here. At the Murphy social media president, he can't have it for many months. But what are you? Why come more good motor men at Bua? What if he say motor men and he had tear bond was on our God Beleru Belu? Very time was a yet tear Fulani, Ibizugbe Fulani, why you don't go back Beleru Belu? Why? Don't know what video you do go going. Don't know what video you do go going. Of you go no gas and record Jamana or of your ravage that the don't know what video you do go going. You guys been one president. President wala me. Why me in me? Every day, almost look back at that 20 people, best of 10 people have your career. Guess I will fight for money tonight. In Matamuwa, they me upon one me fiang boy. Ama we are more kekan. Akwe. But what bali auto, he found a yamu me die. In a family me ya die. You see people, mind your business, let me mind my business. I'm a political activist. Iyaga oppress wa, when water, if you do gbini gunanine, if so don't drag me to be any position of yourself. What kind of stupid human being be this? It didn't even say, hey, Ibizugbe, you know if you drop on. EMLs again says, I respect you because why? The time when you take day with me, when you take the comment on my platform, you they give me start. I appreciate it, man. May God bless you. and I do my job. In when I ga jowa, e wana ye ti we star me. But okpeni ketam wawe, imo tunje, I am one man squad, a political activist who does send one where did you total yakara wokpa. If you elect me as the president, I'm already done the work of president. Back to the owner in my hair, the old word here. If you take it, you take it. If you don't want to take it, je m'en fous. Okay, me die wa. Okay? Ume yo bonu wari me. Can one person come out and proud? I weigh 50 euro na hini area get John Ibizugbe. Come and tell me. Come and tell me. I will say, if Bekaya Fefe on social media, you know, Rudua, you know, ya anime, and yet Bemen Yamokame, and yet Bemen Fefe, you know, ya monetize. Uwaje, Uwagwayo. I don't go back Belua. You say, mo star saga, make a star saga, make a see that person will go come and tell me again. Wabuwa. I know the suffer when I suffer. How many of now? Erika Doka, you know, il de la tapune, ya wa mu Ibizugbe, ye la tapina, ya mu Ibizugbe, no ya day you want me. How many people come and say me you have to carry that laptop go give president? What do I take by Fulani Ibizugbe? Unwe wala dia na gwa buwa. E to prison obiera wi je kere do unwe wala dia na gwa buwa. I want to go back to my feed. If you take it, you take it. If you don't take it, zebe, Arabiwe zebed, awabuwa. Idiot people, Babylon. Nwaya Juan, nwaya Vien, and Wagwalo. Nwaya Vien, Wagwalo. Wala wemi eso no kwaro wa mu won da e. Iko ga ire, emi no ma ga ire wa viola kwala gwabuwa. Na gwabuwa. Wa mala tete who draw me for saga. Ya kan. Who draw me for saga ya kan. Just love you leave me alone. Appreciate what I've done for you people. Just like that. Leave me alone. Egeni ya aroni, emi ni unwa, okoni kon e pisi ni viore, appreciate it. Okay? They to pay me bonia. Okpa kana do tama yes, president a pay no, si se na pay no ni o think pa very real. Since who pay me, ego me ya we mi who be you bomb bastard. No do question me. If you don't want to call it Dimofi your president, I will call it Dimofi my president. You don't have anything to say it. I don't have any apologize for that. Fuck you, motherfucker.